Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color scheme of your app. Click on the Design section in the App Designer. Then select the Style tab in the upper tab bar. As you can see, your app is displayed on the right-hand side as it currently looks. All changes you make are immediately adopted in this preview. First of all, you have the option of choosing a ready-made theme from our design library. You can then adjust and color this as you like. Let's choose a ready-made design. To do this, click on the Select Theme button. Now click on one of these designs to display the corresponding preview on the right-hand side. When you have found your favorite, confirm this with the Select Theme button. The theme has now been selected and can be adapted. For this, you will find a number of setting options in the lower area. For example, you can change the basic color of your app here. With the help of the dark switch, you can switch between light and dark display mode. If you want to color the upper navigation bar or the lower tab bar, you can set this with these two switches. You can also set the font of your app. Use the fields, font, and font size to round off your design. You can adjust the heights of the upper and lower navigation bars as well as the rounding of buttons and selection lists. If you are satisfied with your design, you can now save it. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.